Hey, I showed a little bit this the other day, but welcome to our yard. My wife has been working on this landscaping and stuff and dragging stuff from my mom's, her mom's, my aunt's, everywhere, all over the place, clearance aisles, everything else. Well, luckily I missed most of this project, but my wife's been out here playing in the landscaping again, and my daughter and my granddaughters come and helped them. So repurposed everything. She's redone all this section right in here. These are the old wagon wheels off my family's farm. Here's Milo. And then all in here. How many years you been working on this? This is a 10-year labor of love for her and backaches for me. So we're trying to grow this rose bush along the fence. We just started that last fall. So she added some new stuff to it today.
The lilies are blooming.
The lilies are blooming, she said.
Mama's.
They was her mama's. So there's the other wheels. That's the front wheels. Them's the back wheels out there. She planted all this right in here. Well, not all this, but what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She planted 7 more plants tonight. So all this is all doing good. All our little things in the landscaping. So just a little walk through of the yard. Yeah. So there you go. Garden's doing good over there. Another 10 years, they won't be nowhere to walk over there either. So
because all these are those black-eyed Susans.
that'll be okay. Oh yeah, she laughed. She said all of them are black-eyed Susans, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I planted last year.
That she planted last year. Our rose bushes do good once we learn how you just hack them down like you're trying to kill them in the fall. So there we are. Just took a little while. Clearance aisle, hand-me-downs. Yeah, Lowe's clearance. That's right. My wife went through and just took some random pictures all through her garden, all different kinds of flowers and stuff. These come from her mom. Some of these you'll see up here, as I said before, come from my mom's and my aunt's. And like I said, most of all this stuff in our cabin and everything else is all reclaimed. Those bricks I got from where I used to work at. The gating and stuff all around I got from a Renew store, and the flowers, most of these flowers and stuff come from the clearance aisles and places like that. There was hand-me-downs and everything on it. This old bicycle, my son run this guy down, and he was taking it to the dump back when we were riding horses one day. So there's a lot of memories and stuff as you walk through our garden and different things that we've done and collected and all that stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed watching our garden.